DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiana and I'm here to tell you 5 things that I wish someone told me before going natural. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into this video. Alright, so we all know that natural hair is like another baby. You have to take care of it. It needs time, it needs love, it needs consistency, it needs a routine, it needs to be pampered. It needs a lot of things, and I'm gonna tell you some things that I wish someone told me. So number 1, I wish someone told me that it was going to need as much time as it does. I need to dedicate 1 day to do my hair. Now, I'm not saying I do my hair for like 8 hours straight. Like, no, I'm way over that hump. I'm a professional now. I can knock out my twist out within like 2 hours, because you know you need like an hour to deep condition. But the other hour I'm detangling my hair, I'm putting it in sections, I am combing it, I'm doing all that stuff. Okay, so now it takes me 2 hours to do my hair, and before it took me a long time. But I'm like, whew, like I didn't know this was an all-day process. But it's really not an all-day process if you know what you're doing. If you know, like, boom, I'm gonna wake up 8 o'clock, I'm gonna wash my hair, make sure I like detangle the night before, which I do. These are the products I'm gonna be using, because I have a whole lot of products. I'm like, which product should I be using? But if you already know what you're gonna be using, that already knocks out 10 minutes, 15 minutes of the indecisiveness. So we're not being indecisive here, guys. We knowing exactly what we're doing. And deep conditioning will be like an hour if I'm being lazy. Now that I got my steamer, it will only be maybe like 15-20 minutes at least. So, but again, who told it to take that long? Then the drying time, thank God I have me a hair dryer I can sit under to dry my hair in no time. But some people don't have that, and you're sitting at home all day like, damn, waiting for this twist out to dry. No one said it's gonna be an all day process when I did not have those things. I used to be in the house all day until my hair dry. So I wish someone would have told me that it's an all day process, guys, until you recognize, like, you know what, I gotta think smarter when doing my hair. Number 2, who told me that you're going to become a product junkie? I'm not speaking for all, but in the natural hair community, about 85% of us are product junkies. I have so many products, and I can tell you each product works differently. There's not one product that is the same. People think that I'm crazy. They're like, Kiana, you just bought a product. I'm like, no, but it's different. It may have that one product that makes it different, like that has almond oil. It's different. But I have so many products, and I am a product junkie. Like who told me I was gonna have one big shelf dedicated to products in my room? Multicultural section that they call it in Walmart. I think I have that section in my house. Like, it's pretty ridiculous, and I really don't need any more products at all, because I have no more space and I'm not buying another shelf. So yeah, who told me I was going to become a product junkie? It's ridiculous. And then on top of that, when you're in the store, you're like, oh, what's this? I want to try this. Like it's just a mental thing that I just have to have the newest or the late. Like, who told me, guys, I was gonna become a product junkie? No one told me that. Number 3, who told me that I'm gonna spend so much money on these products? These products are a lot. I've never spent. When I was relaxed, I always had my Cream of Nature Argan Oil shampoo. I had my hair mayonnaise. I had my Cream of Nature conditioner. I don't ever think I deep condition, only with the hair mayonnaise. I didn't know that was protein, but I mean, you know, who knew? And what is that, under $5? And like, now I have a whole collection that costs like $45. It's like, wait, what? And I just sit back and I look like, wow, I have a lot of money sitting on the shelf right now. Like, products are $15. One product that I'm just going to have to buy is $25. You know, my Wash Day Wonder from Diva Curls is $25, and I'm just gonna have to buy it because it's just so damn good. And yeah, who told me that I have to have a set amount put to the side for products? Like, who told me that? I spend way too much money on products, and thankfully I'm smarter now, because you know I have Curl Box, but that's a $25 subscription every month, which I do need to cancel because I have no more space. So yeah, who told me I was gonna waste all my money on products? Who told me that? Number 4, who told me that I'm gonna have different curl types in my hair? Meaning the front of my hair, it needs a lot of help. It needs a lot of product that's going to define it, because the front of my hair does not curl. It just gets frizzy. Like that's just what it does. The middle of my hair, my curls are like, I just need it's thick, and I just need, you know, a nice one glob of product, and it's like boom, like we're curled. In the back, it's my curliest of the curliest. I just wish my whole head was like the back of my hair. You could detangle through it. I'm not oohing, I'm not ahhing. It's just, it does its own thing. And then I have, right side of my hair is not as dense as my left side, so I have to like pick it more to make it look even. It's who told me I'm gonna have to go through different textures, different thickness like in my hair? Who said that? No one. And you know, good thing I paid attention to my hair, because I was realizing like, why don't the front curl, or like why does this side look so much thinner, or like why is this side so thick gums, and why the back, like the curls just, it just springs, it soaks up the water, and like the curls are there. But yeah, who told me I have to go through this? Like every section is its own child. Like I have to treat it all differently in order for it to look the same. Like no one told me that. And tip number 5, who told me that natural hair was going to be so empowering? So what I mean is, I'm walking down the street, minding my business, and someone says, oh my god, your hair looks so beautiful. I'm like, oh, thank you. And then we start having a whole conversation about hair, and I'm meeting so many people. They're just so sweet, and we talking about hair, and we talking about life, and I just like, it's like, what? Like I would have never talked to you in a million years just walking down the street. But we have something in common, and it's natural hair, and it's just a beautiful experience to like have your hair. So many festivals around hair, and it's like you meet so many different people, and it's like the energy is just so rewarding. It's like, yes, black culture at its best. I've never been like into like my blackness. Like, I mean, I know I was black, like whatever, but just having the crown on top of my head just makes it so much better. And like just having that relation with like my hair and like others is just like, it's amazing. And no one told me that it was gonna be like life-changing and empowering just to be in a room full of like natural hair and influencers. It's just a beautiful environment, and it's so rewarding, and I am so happy I decided to go natural. And it's like, it made year 3, guys. I am 3 years natural, which is crazy, but I just love it. Black empowerment and just natural hair and embracing your beauty. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Catch me on Instagram at Kinks and Curves, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.